At Changi Airport, it's not just people working behind the scenes. A new generation of robots is helping keep the airport running smoothly every single day. A dedicated team keeps this fleet running like clockwork.
Hi, my name is Jeric, and I'm from the FN Transformation team. And I handle the cleaning robotics portfolio in Changi Airport. I ensure that they operate smoothly and operate well. So our cleaning robots are in charge of scrubbing and vacuuming of the floor in the terminals. Cleaning is always a very physical, tiring job for our cleaners. So as much as possible, we will try to look for technology to increase their efficiency when they are cleaning Changi Airport, where they can actually focus on other tasks that cannot be automated. Different terminals, we might deploy different type of scrubbers. It depends on the needs of the terminal because every terminal is laid out differently and the environment, the passenger flow is different.
Changi is a massive airport. With so much happening, spills and messes can pop up anywhere. So what guides these robots through the cleaning?
Hi, I'm Alphonsus, and I'm from the Robotics Lab at Changi Airport Group. I mainly work on the system that manages the different types of robots in the airport. The system is called the Robotics Middleware Framework. The facilities management officers provide us the schedules for each individual robot, and we provide the solution to manage and ensure that the timings of the schedules are met. From here, you can actually see the different types of robots in the airport itself, across different floors and in different areas as well. The system also allows us to set schedules on a day-to-day basis. For example, the red one actually signifies the check-in roles that are being used by the flight check-ins. The green ones are actually the cleaning tasks for the different types of robots. And the yellow ones are actually maintenance timings that we actually set for the different types of robots. The RMF will plan the routes for the robots to move from point to point, and that determines how the robots move within the terminal. The goal of RMF is to increase the productivity of the robots while meeting the airport's needs and changing environments.
Changi's robots are limited to the terminals. At check-in, they're stepping in to handle another essential task. With more passengers using self-bag drop, Changi is testing robotic arms to make the process seamless.
Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm from Engineering and Development, and I'm working on innovation for baggage handling system. The tub return system is a conveyor system used to return the baggage tub from the baggage handling area to the departure hall. Currently, the tub return operation rely heavily on manual labor, so can be very physically demanding, especially the tubs can get very heavy and bulky. Our task can help to reduce our reliance on manual labor as well as improve our workplace ergonomics and productivity.
From spotless floors to smarter baggage handling, Changi is shaping the future of travel today. And with new robots now on trial, innovation here at Changi never stops.